When power is shared by you, not just a chosen few, we know what we must do to right the wrongs. Don't take for granted seeds that were planted centuries ago. Seeds of democracy, nurtured with honesty, become our liberty when we share the load. My country, I love thee, long may thy flag fly free, for you I stand. But I don't appreciate pride that is based on hate, diversity